And I've got a little something for you guys. Glass is glass and glass can break. Robbed at the checkout. Glass is glass and glass can break. 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 Samsung said at their launch event that they've done the impossible and created ultra-thin glass that folds. Glass is glass and glass can break. Screen really is glass. We can't have glass clacking against glass every time the phone gets closed. Glass is glass and glass can break. This is exactly how a plastic screen would react, with little specks of glass ingredients inside. If glass isn't glass, then truth doesn't matter. If glass isn't glass, then truth doesn't matter. Right, but this glass does feel a bit different than other screens, almost like it's harder. Glass is glass and glass can break. All under the same piece of back glass. Glass is glass and glass can break. Glass is glass and glass can break. But this Samsung phone isn't made from metal. The frame is made from plastic, all protected by the same piece of glass. But as we know, razor blades can't hurt glass. This psychedelic back panel is made from plastic. But never fear, Dbrand is here. But never fear, Dbrand is here. Glass is glass and glass can break. The screen does still have its plastic buffer layer. Glass is glass and glass can break. Glass is glass, 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 and glass can break.
Hey, what is up guys, this is Zack AKA and I'm pretty sure you're new to this channel, so make sure to hit the subscribe button down below to see more amazing content. So that's it for this video. Make sure to give a like and comment down below which YouTuber you would like to see next. This is Zack AKA and I'm signing off. Peace.